everybody. Happy Thursday. Welcome to another episode with Walk with Kelsey. I am Kelsey from Rediscover You, and I'm here with Marco again. And we are in beautiful Keystone, Colorado. I've been here for a week. It's, the leaves are changing. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy. But yes, so I'm sorry. We've been going for runs most of the time, and I keep forgetting to do more walks with Kelsey. But anyway, today I just wanted to talk to you about it doesn't have to be extreme if you want to see results in anything, but in most particularly when it comes to your health, to your body, to seeing changes, to getting stronger, to even losing weight. It does not have to be extreme. What it does have to be is consistent. Right? And that's the problem when we try and do these extreme things, when we try and cut out entire food groups, or try and completely cut out sugar, or try and go to these like really extreme high intensity workouts that we don't enjoy, or if we, whatever it is, whenever we're trying to do something that's really extreme, like cleansing, like just stop eating or only juicing, that's extreme. That is not something that you can sustain for 6 months, a year, and so on. So if you want results, it's about being consistent. It's about building the healthy habits that you can sustain for the rest of your life. If you are doing, if you are doing something right now to try and lose weight that you cannot see yourself doing for the next 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, it will not work. 96 to 99% of diets fail. They fail. And in fact, 2/3 of people who go on a diet regain the weight, or 2/3 gain more weight than what they lost beforehand. It is not about quick fixes. It is not about feeling like you need to obsessively track things, or that you need to run, or you need to be like having to do high intensity workouts or whatever it is, unless you enjoy it, unless it's something you can sustain, unless it's something that you love. And so for me, that's what my program's all about. Rediscover you, right? Rediscover you. How do you want to feel? How can you learn to trust your body, to listen to your own internal hunger and fullness cues? How can you learn to nourish and satisfy your body? How can you learn to prioritize your sleep? How can you learn to just move your body every day? Whether that be walking, yoga, taking the stairs. You. It's not about external rules. It's not about extreme. It's not about watching what someone else eats, because they don't have your body. Only you do. And it's up to you to take the time to sit back and listen. Reconnect and listen to your body. Your body is not your enemy. Your body wants to take care of you. And I really encourage you, if that is something, if you are done with extreme fad diets, if you are done feeling like a failure because you weren't perfect, or it was this all or nothing, if you want to learn how to have sustainable results that will last a lifetime, so that you can have energy and a body that you are confident in and that you love, and that you can not feel like you have a whole other full-time job trying to be healthy, trying to like track every single macro and like all of the things, but you can actually have the headspace to live your freaking life, and your best life, because it's you. Then I would love to chat with you. Because that is what I do. That is my program, Rediscover You. I help you create the best habits for you. And that's my message for today. Whatever you take from this, guys, please just know, just be consistent. If you want to make a change, it takes 3 things: consistency, community, and a coach. The supportive community and the accountability of a coach who understands and has been there, that will help you stay consistent. So if you're looking for a change, book a call. Would love to chat with you and help you figure out some things and get some clarity and help you rediscover you. Have a good night, guys. Mwah.